What's up, everybody? It's in my local GameStop today, just checking out, see what they had in stock, and I found some random 2022 Chrome update. We are in the market of the Royals, so we're Bobby Witt fans in this household. He's on the cover of this box. We're trying to pull a rookie card. That's our goal. Let's see if we can make it happen. Holy cow, it's a big flat. Let's see. What do we got? We got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs of 4 cards. Maybe we can hit Bobby's rookie, Julio's rookie, or maybe we can hit one of their parallels. That's our goal. Let's see what we got here. First pack, Hunter Renfroe, Bradley Zimmer, Kirby Puckett, and Adrian Martinez, rookie purple parallel. Second pack. There is our first refractor, Seiyu, and then Yosei Kikuchi, purple parallel. We seem to have centering issues, really bad centering issues. I haven't opened a lot of 2022. It's only recently gotten into hobbies sometime last year. We've been going and trying to get all the parks hit and decided why not start opening baseball cards. Well, then baseball led to football, that led to basketball, and it led to all the cards. Matt Duffy, Kyle British, Tim Anderson All-Star Refractor, and Julio Rodriguez purple. That's what we're talking about. And I mean, it's still a little off center, but it's not bad. It's got some print lines, it looks like, though. But that is the kind of hit we're looking for right there. Now, if we can maybe do that with Bobby, that would be amazing. I don't know what other kind of parallels they have in this, but any of those would. All right, Jose Iglesias. Somebody called me and reset my phone. Paddock, Cruz Gilmore, and Chase Silseth. A lot of these guys, I don't even know if they're still on team. Perez, Jason, Suarez, and Eric Friede, purple. I guess you get a purple on each one? Maybe that gives me a better chance at hitting Bobby's purple. Wouldn't hate that. Still looking for Bobby's base rookie card, too. Bryson Stein, rookie card. Oh, seen the Royals. Hunter Dozier. Followed by Seiya Suzuki's rookie generation now. And John Gray, purple. Got 4 packs left. We're over halfway done. All right. Brisk stopped. Ian Happ, All-Star Refractor. Jake Marisnik, purple. All right. 3 packs left. Come on. I'm gonna rush through these, trying to get through all the nonsense. Players that ain't even in the game anymore. William Woods, rookie card. Bobby MJ Melendez, rookie debut. Bobby's in the picture, but it's MJ's card. How about that? MJ's struggling a bit this year. We're gonna put that here. It's gonna consider that. Bobby's in the picture. We're gonna count it. Gary Sanchez, Orlando Arcia. 2 packs left. Come on, Bobby. Come out of the woodwork here. All right. So there's Spencer Torkelson's rookie card. Pretty well centered and not in terrible shape. We're going to put that over here, too. And then Tyler McQuinn. Last pack right here. Come on. Come on, Bobby. Julio Ramos, Adam Frazier, Josh Gibson, and Tommy Romero. Well, we didn't hit the Bobby we were looking for. We hit a version of Bobby. So off-centered, it's not even up and down. It's wild to me how bad some of these are. But that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel. Have a good one.